going to make espresso and we're going to make homemade creamer today. So first we got 8 ounces of boiling water, 2 tablespoons of espresso powder. We're stirring it up, getting it ready. Next we're going to make our creamer. We have a cup and a half of 1% milk. You can use any kind of skim, whole milk, whatever your preference is. And then we're going to use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay, next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla bean flavoring and 1 teaspoon of regular vanilla. And then we're going to use our coffee frother and blend it all up. Shook it for 2 minutes in the mason jar after we blended it up. And we're going to pour a little bit in here. You can use a cup or your little frothing thing if you have it. And you're going to blend it up, make it fluffy for the top of the espresso. That's cute. And then, alright, now the creamer is made. Pour it into your espresso, however much you like, and enjoy.